Good day, sir. I'm Joe Pasirante Cruz, Block 23. So, the video explained four key ways to understand a set of data: mean, median, mode. Before calculating any of these, it is recommended to first put your numbers in order from least to greatest. To find the mean, you add all the numbers in your set together to get a total sum. Then you divide that sum by the count of numbers in the set. To find the mean, you add all the numbers in your set together to get a total sum. The sum of the 9 numbers is equal to 768 divided by 9 equals 85.33. Round off to 85.34. Number 2. The sum of the 7 numbers is equal to 1017 divided by 7 equals to 145.28. Rounded to 2 decimal places, the mean is 145.29. To find the median, first sort the data in ascending order. The median is the middle value. Since there are 7 data points, the fourth value is 125. Determine the mode. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in the dataset. In this dataset, each number appears only once. Therefore, there is no mode. The sum of the 10 numbers is equal to 682 divided by 10 equals 68.2. Rounded to 2 decimal places, the mean is 68.20. Number 4. The mean is 22.17 divided by 7 equals to 3.16. Rounded to 2 decimal places, the mean is 3.17. Find the mean. The median is the middle value. Since there are 7 data points, the fourth value is 2.51. Determine the mode. In this data set, each number appears only once, therefore there is no mode. Number 5. The mean is 807 divided by 10 equal to 80.7. Rounded to 2 decimal places, the mean is 80.70. Find the median. The median is the average of two middle values. The fifth value is 81 and the sixth value is 81. The median is 81. The mode is 80, 81, 82. Organizing the table, range and class weight. Calculated the range 322 minus 174 equals to 148 and determine a class interval of 15. This is a crucial first step of grouping. Class intervals. You created 10 classes from 174 to 189 up to 318 to 333. Frequency. How many numbers fell into each group? Finding that the 254 to 269 group was the most common with 10 entries. Midpoint. X calculated by averaging the lower and upper limits. Final group calculations. Using the table, you derive the central tendencies for the entire group. Group mean, group median, group mode. The group mean 15,582 divided by 60 equals to 259.70. The group median identified the middle position, 30 value, and used the midpoint logic to find 245. The group mode, you identified the class with the highest frequency 10 and found the mode to be 268.